Good afternoon. I'm gonna try to use my my thing to do my onion. It's slipping out of my hand because I just washed it, but I don't know if anyone uses that, so I'm gonna leave it over there. I'm gonna see if my neighbor wants some food. If she does, she doesn't want to see any onion in her bowl. But I should have cut that before I washed it. I tend to forget I got this little magic thing here. So I'm gonna brown my meat and my onions at the same time to save me some time. You can hear my pot is picking up over here. Maybe this is why I don't use this. Maybe this noisy thing is why I don't use it. Might be browning up too much meat, but if I am, I'll separate some before I put it in my can. It's hard for me to cook. The steam makes me unwell, so I try to turn it down. But then when I turn it down, it doesn't cook enough for me. I was gonna put this in the oven and make meatballs, but I actually want it on top of the stove. But I do need to turn it up. But the heat is gonna get me. I'm not gonna be able to. Well, it's getting hot. It's cooking. Yep, it's cooking. So I'm gonna let it cook for a few more minutes on its own before I do that. I gotta sit down for 5 minutes. Yes, it's cooking. I think I have the perfect amount of meat too. If you wonder where the spoon comes from, it comes from when you buy a rice cooker. Now I'm going to drain it because I do need a little bit of moistness in it, so I don't want it to cook all the way down. I don't like my meat without some of that goodness in it. So just want to mix it up a little bit more, get some of my onions down. And I'm going to drain it, but where's my little friend at? Rinse you off first. And I take this right here and I put it on the edge of my pot, and then I tip it over, and it helps it. But the only thing is, occasionally I might slip my hand from here. I kind of wish I knew a better way to hold it, because I don't see why this groove is here instead of the other way around. But sometimes I wonder, does it go like that? But I don't think so. So let me drain it, and let's hope I don't spill it. Perfect, 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 perfect. Now I got a little bit of moistness in there. Perfect, like I want it. And then I'm gonna put this can of red gold petite thing. Now I never tried this before, and although I ended up with a fetch points because of this, I just want you to know, in case you do fetch, you will get some points. Make sure you only get what you plan on using, because you don't want to waste your money, honey. We don't want to play that game now, do we? That's waste. Okay. So now I'm going to put this in here. See, it slowed down the simmer, which is good. Oh, that smells amazing. But I have an issue swallowing, so I need my meat a little bit chopped up. So I'm going to do that. Now, I'm going to I'm going to read that can and this can to see if I could use if I need this, or should I just season it? I'm going to put this with rice, I believe. Anyway, let me see. I'm not sure I want too many tomatoes in it. Nope, I'll just season it up on my own. I'll just season it up on my own. Whee! I'm not a tomato kind of person, so I need a little bit more seasoning, so I'm going to use that there. And then I'm going to toss in some of this here. I just love this stuff here. And it's not a lot, even though it may look like a lot. And this is not what I would normally do, but of course I never made this before. I'm going to use kidney beans to put inside here because I wanted some rice and beans. But since I'm not going to make a separate meal today, I'm going to toss in some beans in here. In case you're wondering, this is what I use to wash my beans off and to strain it. All it is a strainer. And I read up on beans a long time ago, and it says that this here is very vital to whatever it's made with. I forgot what it's called, but I keep the bottom of the can. If you don't believe me, just read up on it. Or ask Chat GBT, it'll tell you. So I keep that. I'm gonna let this simmer a few minutes while I wash up some dishes. And I actually don't want to overcook my beans because they're basically done. And so I'm gonna turn off my pot. And I'm having this over some white rice, but it's only like 12 in the afternoon, if that, and it's definitely not time to eat. I had a bowl of rice with some chicken soup that I made a couple days ago. So I'm just gonna put my pot here. Uh-oh, somebody's messaging me. And I'm gonna have a little taste. I'm wondering, ooh, I don't think I need this. I don't think I need anything with this. I just need this in a bowl. Oh my goodness. I am so glad I chopped the onions. My neighbor can definitely have some. Oh my goodness. The tomatoes are freaking awesome. Oh, the tomatoes are so good. Oh wow. Oh. I am not a kidney bean fan. My daughter loves kidney beans, but most of my family does anyway. But these are this good. The only thing that gets me upset is when I cook and I really and truly am not hungry and I should not be eating because I'm not hungry. And then when I taste it and it's good, sometimes I just can't get control of myself. That is why I try to limit all the other foolishness that I can bring in this home. Oh. That Knorr seasoning just popped the entire pot. Whoa. But thank you for watching my video. It's time for me to wash my kitchen rags. And I wish you a wonderful day. Thank you so much.